Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set wallpaper on your Mac with your own picture. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Not respect to Apple's default desktop wallpaper, but starting at the same combination of orange and yellow all day, every day can get a bit boring. If you've long felt that your office life could use a bit of spicing up, in this video I will show you how to change your wallpaper with your own picture. So you can just open your system preferences and go to desktop and screensaver section. And from here you can see there's so much picture that might give you to set as your wallpaper. But what if you want to use your own picture? So you can just see in here there is an option folders, picture, photos. You can just click on that, and on folders you can just choose on your photo that you want to set as your picture. But if it doesn't appear on the folders, you can just tap on the plus icon and choose on this finder on your finder and choose that folder to add to your screensaver or wallpaper. Now for the example, I want to choose this one maybe for the example, and it will turn out like this for my desktop wallpaper on my Mac. So simple, right? Or you can change to another picture, maybe this one or this one. It will turn out like this. So you can use any photo that you have on your Mac to set as your wallpaper on your Mac desktop. In here, you can also change the picture for every 30 minutes, but I will just skip this step and I will just use this picture as my desktop wallpaper. It's a simple, right? So that is how to set wallpaper on your Mac with your own picture. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!